How to withdraw funds from Binance to Backpack. To begin, visit the Binance homepage and click on the wallet. Navigate to Fiat and Spot. Click on Withdraw in SOL. To get the withdrawal address, open your Backpack wallet, click on Receive, and copy the Solana wallet address. Paste it as the withdrawal address and select the network as Solana. Enter the amount, select between your spot or funding wallet, and click on Withdraw. Now, click on Continue and complete the security steps by entering the code sent to your email and phone number and the two-factor authentication code, and click on Submit once you're done. Click on Complete to finish the process. After the transaction is complete, your updated balance will be visible in your Backpack wallet. Welcome to Solana, the home of USDH.